大家好，欢迎来到 PUPU House Story Time。今天要和大家分享的绘本是 The Day I Became a Bird， 那一天我变成一只鸟，是法国作家 Ingrid Chabbert 的作品。这本书描写了初恋的怦然心动和纯真的爱恋。小男孩为了追求他心仪的女孩子，把自己变成了一只鸟。他会成功吗？就让我们一起看下去吧。The day I became a bird， 那一天我变成一只鸟。The day I started school, I fell in love. 开学的第一天，我恋爱了。It was the first time. 那是我的初恋。At home that night, I drew a picture of her, then another and another. 下午回到家，我画了一张她的画像。接着又画了一张，后来再画了一张。And one with hearts and a smiling sun， 然后画了一张有很多爱心的画像，再加上一个笑眯眯的太阳。Sylvia is in my class. She sits in front of me. All I see is her, but she doesn't see me. Sylvia 和我同班，她就坐在我的前面。我的眼里看到的只有她，但是她却看不到我。Sylvia is a bird lover. She can't bear to see them living in cages. Sylvia 她热爱鸟类，但是她不忍心看到它们生活在笼子里。She quietly observes lamb in the wild and gently cares for lamb when they are injured. 她在大自然中静静地观察它们，还会温柔地照顾受伤的小鸟。There are birds on her pants and dresses. She wears bird barrettes in her hair. 她的裤子还有洋装上面有鸟，连发夹上都有鸟。She draws birds on her notebooks and folders, and when she speaks, her voice sounds like bird song. 她的笔记本、课本、资料夹上都画着鸟类的图案，当她开口说话的时候，就好像一只慢声吟唱的鸟儿。Sylvia only has eyes for birds. Sylvia 的眼中只有鸟。When I look at her, I forget about everything else. 当我看着她的时候，任何事情都会忘光。My toy cards, soccer, and all the rest don't seem important. 我的玩具车、我的足球还有其他的东西都不是那么重要的。And I don't look at birds the same way I did before. 而我对鸟类的看法也变得跟以前不一样了。 So one morning, I decide to dress up as a bird. 所以有一天，我决定打扮成一只鸟。A large bird with shining feathers, like the ones you see in the forest in summer. 我打扮成一只大鸟，身上披着华丽的羽毛，就像夏天我们常在森林中看到的那一种鸟。I feel handsome in this costume and very warm. 我穿着这件衣裳，觉得自己超好看的，但是也好热哦。I dream that one day I'll land somewhere in the Rocky Mountains or at the top of a pyramid. 我梦想着有一天能够停在落基山脉的某一个地方，或者是停在某个金字塔的顶端。With Sylvia, maybe. 或许可以跟着 Sylvia 一起。Everyone stares at me at school. 在学校，大家都盯着我看。Some kids giggle too, but I don't care. 有些人还会笑我，但是我一点都不在乎。I don't want to take off my costume. I am a bird. 我不要脱掉这一件外衣，我是一只鸟。But it isn't easy to walk around in this thing. Going to a bathroom is even more complicated. 不过呢，背着这个东西真的很难走路，尤其我想要上厕所的时候，真是超麻烦的。And it's hard to keep my balance when I play soccer. 而且我要踢足球的时候，还常常会失去平衡。Climbing trees is much harder too. 连爬树都比以前困难了许多。The worst is when it rains. I smell like wet dog. 遇到下雨的时候是最糟糕的，我闻起来就像是一只湿哒哒的狗。Then, one afternoon, I come face to face with Sylvia. 直到某一天下午，我和 Sylvia 相遇了。And finally, our eyes meet. 终于，我们四目相交。Sylvia steps closer to me and takes off my costume. I don't know what to do. Sylvia 她走近我，将我的装扮脱去。我不知道该怎么办。My heart is beating 100 miles an hour. In the sky, I see a flock of birds take flight. 我的心跳得好快，天上有一大群鸟飞过去。Sylvia puts her arms around me. I stand perfectly still. I can't think. Sylvia 她双臂环绕着我，我不敢动，也不能思考。I'm not a bird anymore, but I feel like I'm flying. 我虽然不再是一只鸟了， 但是我觉得我飞了起来。